Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. After noticing that the total development area of it was stated, I am informed that the land was reserved for a vegetable and retail market before 1965 stop. I am of the opinion that it is possible to get this reservation modified or waived, and hence I consider the effect of this on the value of the property negligible. Stop. In any event, there will be no loss. Stop. Even if reservation is retained for the purpose of my valuation of share in the property. Stop. Based on the sales instances, the prices given in accommodation times, I am of the opinion and feel that the rate of the residential apartment in the area in this rate will be fair and reasonable for the share of property belonging to, as the title of their holding is clear and marketable. Stop. I am appointed to give value of the share of the property belonging to the of the property. Stop. I am informed that there is suit pending in courts regarding title to the property and tenancy rights. Stop. Each of the other holders will fetch the reports of valuation of their respective shares separately. 1981. The cost of construction may be taken at. Stop. Further considering the builder's profit and deducting both the value of cost of construction and the builder's profits from the above stated works out to of saleable area. Stop. Considering that it is a jointly owned property, I take it as fair and reasonable. Stop. As these rate the value of the share of the property belonging to comes. Stop. Therefore, value of the property belonging to I therefore value the share of the above property belonging to as regards existence of sale instances. However, although a sheet was said to have been attached thereto, no such thing was done. Stop. As against column 40, namely, if sale instances are not available or not relied upon the basis of arriving at the land rate, it was stated in addition to sales instances and accommodation times are used. Stop. The valuer in his report inter alia stated. Stop. When I inspected the premises, I found the building in a dilapidated condition. Stop. In fact, part of the building has collapsed. Stop. I am informed that in 1981 the building was in similar condition. I am therefore inclined to consider only the scrap value of the building and the value of only land as the basis of my valuation. Stop. In the year 1997, by reason of a consent decree passed, undivided share. Stop.